You ever get a package delivered and they just fill the box with foam or little packing beads? If you're lucky enough that they use the cornstarch or the potato starch ones, just dump them into a big barrel of water. This was filled up to the top and it sit there for a while. They'll eventually all just dissolve, and that's one less thing to go into landfill or to take up space in your bins. Because I'm pretty sure that a lot of people don't realise that they're not polystyrene, and they just go, foam beads, and they chuck them. One way of actually checking, if you grab one and squeeze it, it'll start to feel a little sticky in your hands because of the oil in your fingers, but they stay flat. They don't take long to dissolve at all. See? All dissolved. Almost.